I can remember last time I thanked you, keeping my distance unintentionally too close for comfort, staying close enough. If I could have more time, we would brainstorm, and I love you tender, but we must walk away, keeping you on my greeting card file. And if it were different, but you know it ain't. Let's get on with it, love. Call me loyal. I'll say you're loyal too. I know you're loyal. I feel it loyal, true. Call me loyal. I'll hold you loyal too, 'cause we are loyal. Keep it that way. Keep it that way, love. Out in the battle, flung far and used, where does allegiance lie? Sometimes when all of your hopes and all of your dreams are too much to value in one moment, and all of us anxious. Why hurry, love? History's here and now. Oh, why are you waiting? Waiting for what? The history of some love. Call me loyal. I'll say you're loyal too.